If you're looking for a high-performance business mini PC, SEi11 Pro is a great choice. It has a textured casing, powered by Intel 11th Core i5 to 11320H processor. Its wonderful performance is more than you can imagine. Expandable 2.5-inch 7mm HDD, DDR4 offers greater data integrity and lower power consumption. Enjoy faster read-write speed with NVMe SSD. With heat pipe and copper plate. Unique design with cooling mesh. The cooling fan dissipates heat more smoothly. Wi-Fi 6 supports more and faster transfer speed. Support 4K high-definition output. You can connect two 4K monitors at the same time. It can be used for work and entertainment. With outstanding performance, SEi11 Pro can make a difference. If you're looking for a high-performance business mini PC, SEi11 Pro is a great choice.
Powered by powerful processor.
Its wonderful performance is more than you can imagine. DDR4 offers greater data integrity and lower power consumption. Enjoy faster read-write speed with NVMe SSD. With heat pipe and copper plate. The cooling fan dissipates heat more smoothly. Unique design with large cooling mesh and metal casing for better heat dissipation. All metal shell looks more delicate. You can connect 3 displays at 4K simultaneously. It gets more convenient by reducing the number of screen switching. Powerful performance. PS and AI are supported. As software commonly used in the office. Designed for light gaming, it offers better gaming fluidity, more professional quality. SER5 Pro can bring you a unique experience.